Megaphones, chants, and workers lining sidewalks has become more common in recent months. From Starbucks and bookstore employees to nurses and doctors, frustration is building.
More and more workers are standing up and saying, this isn't working for us. We want better wages. We want better working conditions.
Lewis and Clark law professor Keith Cunningham-Parmenter studies labor relations. He says higher costs of living are creating tenser working relationships.
Inflation is an absolute paycheck killer.
With higher inflation comes higher rents. While people are spending more money, wages are lagging.
The compensation packages really haven't kept pace.
Portland State Management professor Baron Ardawan says low pay, poor working conditions, and limited job security are the main reasons why many workers aren't satisfied.
In unionized workplaces, we're seeing this in the form of strikes or unionization efforts. In non-unionized workplaces, where we saw this in the form of great resignation and the quiet quitting.
What do we want?
Strikes, like this one at a Beaverton Starbucks in early August.
I think it'll definitely send a message to the company.
The National Labor Relations Board shows 55 charges have been filed against Starbucks in Portland's district since the start of this year. Here, workers want higher pay, better health care, and more time on the job.
I definitely need more hours. I think it's really important.
In a statement, Starbucks said it's committed to a contract with union representatives who bargain with professionalism. At local hospitals, nurses went on strike for better wages and working conditions. They say there's not enough staff. Cunningham-Parmenter says about a third of strike activity in 2022 was in the healthcare field, the highest of any industry. Striking teachers accounted for the second most. Both professions were hit hard by COVID-19.
Nurses were talking about staffing. This was not safe. This was not safe for the nurses. It wasn't safe for the patients.
Despite a seemingly abnormal amount of strikes, union membership is actually dropping. Data from the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics shows nationally around 10% of workers are union members. Last year in Oregon, numbers were higher, but still under 16%. Without adequate conditions, experts expect more labor unrest as long as one thing continues.
The bottom line is it's about a tight labor market. The tight labor market is really the leverage that is making all of this happen.
Thomas Schultz, KGW News.